Hi guys, Mike at Mike's Auto Care. So I just want to quickly discuss the chassis treatments that we do, the clean and protect. I get asked quite a lot, what are the benefits, why would I have it done? I prefer to think of it another way, think of a good reason why you wouldn't have it done. So as an example, it protects absolutely everything. You've probably all been for an MOT, you get there, they say, oh, you need a new middle section, you need a new back box that's rusted. Well, all that can be treated and protected to make it last longer. You've got all your rubbers, all your bushes, they all get packed with grease and get treated. So again, that extends the life of those. So next time you go for your MOT, you haven't got a massive panic, they say, well, this needs replacing, that needs replacing. So another massive benefit. But on top of that, as well as being a protectant, it's also a lubricant. So if you can imagine everything that's moving, as a side effect of having the treatment, you're getting every little joint, every little rubber, anything that moves as the car's driving gets lubricated. So we've just recently, actually today, had a customer come back and he said, what have you done to my car? I said, well, how do you mean? He said, well, basically it feels different, it runs better, there's no noises, there's no squeaks, there's no rattles, and that's just the fact literally of the grease being put in, of the lubrication that the landing guard gives you. It's just quieted everything down for him. He's absolutely over the moon. So he's got the protection and he's got the side effect that it's lubricated the entire underneath of the vehicle, and as a consequence the vehicle feels better and it's running smoother. So I cannot recommend it enough. I can't give any reasons not to have it done. So if you're interested, give us a ring, pop in, you can book online, and let's get it done. The winter's coming, the weather outside now is awful. I don't know what the winter's going to be like, but all year round for protection, but also for that lubrication effect as well, and just the feel of your car. If it's a new car, let's keep it that way. If it's an older car, let's bring it back for somewhere in the years. Let's protect it from getting any more deteriorated, and let's lubricate everything you've got underneath and make it run better. So landing guard applied to every area of the vehicle. We will now let it cure overnight, 24 hours, and then the customer will come and collect. And again, I'm sure he'll be massively impressed. Everybody else that's had the treatment has been. We've tested it sort of 8 months later, hit it with a jet wash, and it's still doing its job, working perfectly, which means it's also still doing its job in all these joints and all these little rubbers and all the important places where things do perish and do wear out. So that's the side effect. Just want to let you know, just sort of keep up to date with what we're doing and what we're using, and that is the way forward. So give us a shout, guys, and we'll see you soon. Take care.